Smooth sailing. On the 9 to 5 selling. Stop, I say to my Haitian. Roll a split for Jamaicans. Smooth sailing. $1,000 in the backwood. Throw it back, mamacita. Swipe a bottle off the Visa. If you drink it, then let's go. Let's get though. Ride the boat. I came here to give you what you looking for. This is slip and slide thing. Drink. Girl, that body like damn. In that pussy tryna swim.
I'm coming off like first of all, ain't never rehearsed and ain't never been versatile. Been out the game for a while, but now I'm back, shit bout to get personal. The rap game is a tragedy, and when I'm done, y'all gon' be mad at me. Y'all done turned to fashion freaks, geeks with no identity. When I hear you on the mic, you just sound alike. Sound around about the same as them old lame ass niggas I'm talking about, so I'm calling out. All you wanna be killing ass niggas, new era dope dealing ass niggas, slum, dumb ass, bum ass niggas, lying to the young niggas.